everyone, I'm Norelyn. I'm here to discuss types of clouds. How many of you like to go outside? Have you ever stopped and noticed the things that are in the sky? What things are in the sky? Today, we are going to talk about clouds. Clouds are particles of water or ice that is suspended in the air. The particles are spread out from each other and are above the Earth's surface. When these particles begin to come together, they form a cloud. The particles or droplets come together to make even bigger water droplets. When these droplets get too big and heavy for the cloud to hold, they fall to the earth as rain. Clouds are signs of changes in the weather. The color of a cloud also lets us know how much water is in it. There are 13 types of clouds, namely the altocumulus cloud, next is stratocumulus cloud, next is lenticular cloud, the next one is contrail cloud, mammatus cloud, Kelvin-Helmholtz cloud, nimbus cloud, altostratus cloud, stratus cloud, cumulus cloud, cirrostratus cloud, cirrocumulus cloud, and cirrus cloud. Clouds are classified into different groups. The first is the low cloud group. Second is middle cloud group. The next is high cloud group. Alticumulus belongs to the middle cloud group, 2,000 to 7,000 meters up. They are grayish-white with one part of the cloud darker than the other. These clouds form when there is moisture present in a wet air mass. The second is stratocumulus cloud. Belongs to the low cloud group, surface 2,000 meters. These clouds are low, lumpy, and gray. These clouds can look like cells under a microscope. Sometimes they line up in rows, and other times they spread up. They are usually seen after rainstorm, and their disappearance signals that fair weather is probably approaching. The third is lenticular cloud. The unique clouds which typically form around hills and mountains as a result of the way that the air moves. These clouds look quite distinctive, like giant flying saucers or something like lopsided stacks of pancakes. The fourth cloud is contrail cloud. The artificial clouds that are the visible trails of condensed water vapor made by exhaust of aircraft engines, like this one. The fifth cloud is the mammatus cloud. Mammatus cloud is a cloud appears like pouches of clouds that hang underneath the base of the cloud. They are usually seen with cumulonimbus clouds that produce very strong storms. The sixth cloud is Kelvin Helmholtz cloud. Helmholtz cloud is the cloud looks like breaking waves in the ocean. These clouds form when there is a difference in the wind speed or direction between two wind currents in the atmosphere. The seventh cloud that we are going to discuss with is nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud found at low altitudes and are spread across the sky uniformly. This cloud produces precipitation. They are dark in color because they are heavily laden with tiny droplets of water that come down in the form of rain, snow, or hail. The eighth cloud is altostratus cloud. Altostratus cloud belongs to the middle cloud group, about 2,000 to 7,000 meters up. The cloud usually covers the whole sky and has a gray or blue-gray appearance like this one. This cloud usually forms ahead of storms with continuous rain or snow. The ninth cloud that we are going to discuss with is the stratus cloud. Stratus cloud belongs to the low cloud group. Surface 2,000 meters up. They are uniform gray in color and can cover most or all of the sky. These clouds can look like a fog that does not reach the ground. Sometimes they are associated with light mist or drizzle. The next cloud is the cumulus cloud. Cumulus cloud belongs to the clouds with vertical growth group. They are puffy, white or light gray clouds that look like floating cotton balls. These clouds have sharp outlines and a flat base. They generally have a base height of 1,000 meters and a width of 1 kilometer. The next cloud that we are going to discuss is cirrostratus cloud. Cirrostratus cloud belongs to the high cloud group, about 5,000 to 13,000 meters. They are very thin sheet cloud through which the sun or moon is visible, producing a halo effect. These clouds are often indicators of rain. The next cloud that we are going to discuss is cirrocumulus cloud. Cirrocumulus cloud belongs to the high cloud group, about 5,000 to 13,000 meters. They are small rounded puffs that usually appear in long rows, like this one, often called mackerel sky because the sky looks like the scales of a fish. They usually seen in the winter time and indicate fair but cold weather. Lastly, the cirrus cloud. Cirrus cloud belongs to the high cloud group, It also measures 5,000 to 13,000 meters. They are a thin, wavy space of white clouds made up of slender, delicate curling wisps of fiber, often called mare's tails because of their appearance. Observed in fair weather, these clouds are pointing towards the direction where where wind is flowing. And that's all. I hope you learn from this discussion, and types of clouds is important for us to know how clouds are formed.